So hi guys, hello. I have here OnePlus Buds Pro 2, yung bagong labas nila na earphones na wireless. At so maganda yung quality niya, magnetic, tsaka andyan siya naka-charge. And then so pag nag-connect ka ng Bluetooth, so kailangan ilang press mo lang siya, and then antayin mo yung white light, and then ayun, naka-connect na siya sa phone mo. So my problem is yung isang earbuds ko is ayaw mag-connect, so this is how I fix it. So let's wait. So hindi naka-connect ang earbuds, so lagi siyang nagdi-disconnect. So may something wrong doon sa settings ng headphones mo. So kailangan mo lang gawin is pumunta ka na yung settings at pumunta ka doon sa Bluetooth and hanapin mo yung earbud settings, and ayan, so make sure na naka transparency siya, and then hanapin mo yung yung dual connection. So i-on mo lang, i-off mo lang siya, and then antayin mo lang mag automatic on ulit. So i-off mo muna siya, tapos antayin mo siya mag-automatic on ng kusa, and then doon mo malalaman na yung dalawang buds is nakakonect na sa Bluetooth mo. So maririnig mo na yung dalawang sound doon. Ayun na siya guys. So yun lang yung gagawin mo para mag-connect yung dalawang earbuds mo sa phone mo, and then i-on mo ulit yung music mo, and then yep, the problem is solved. So yun lang yung gagawin nyo guys. Please subscribe to my channel.